Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is March the 5th. We are in Atlanta. This is a new client. She raved about me. I came out here, it was last week. Came out here last week, gave her an in-home consultation. She booked on the spot, and she said she watched so many of my videos, and she said, Courtney, I'm so excited to get this done. So guys, what we're going to be doing is about 1,300 square feet, also about 17 stairs, screen recoat with UV cure. Actually, the movers are here. They just got through moving the furniture, so this is one of my recommended movers, Sam. So they moved the furniture this morning, and me and Tavares are going to again do a screening recoat UV cure. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. Guys, it poured down last night in the Atlanta, Georgia, even my area. I am in Lawrenceville. I also had some new jobs come in. I had a referral. A client said I did her neighbor's house. There's Sam. What's up, Sam? And this is guy Jordan. So these are the recommended movers. They just got through moving the furniture. So let me show you guys. All right, and y'all guys will be back. Like I said, we'll be done between 5 and 6, so y'all can put the furniture back. All righty. All right, guys, so let me show y'all what we're going to be doing today. Beautiful home. So we're going to be doing these stairs. We're going to start upstairs first. But yeah, I was saying I had some leads come in this morning that was referred to me by neighbors. So I'm going to get those a lot. So we're going to be doing this hallway. We're not going into the bedroom, so we'll just probably stop right there. So we're going to be doing this long hallway all the way down. And you can see the scuff marks. Finish is starting to take a wear. Look right there. All right. So this is a good indication for a screen recoat. So this long hallway. All righty. And we got the stairs. All right, then we're gonna be doing this room. There's Tavares setting up. We're also gonna be doing this room. Then we're gonna be doing this library here. Most people don't move their pianos. This is gonna be a good one. Like some color correction up in this area right here. All right, see all those scuff marks? All right. And we got these pine floors right here and straight through. All right. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Also got this little closet. I'll just throw closets in. And just the hallway. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, look how much better these floors look. This is actually the library, and this floor looks amazing. Once it dries out, I'm going to do a little color correction. So we're doing the clean and tacking now. Like I said, man, the floor's got a great abrasion. So Tavares is clean and tacking. Alright. Floors look really, really, really good. Alright guys, stay tuned. Yep, mop it. And you see how much?
It just didn't look clean.
Yes, and look, and that's just the first coat.
Right, and it's good to understand the difference between the screening and the refinishing, which I did a lot of research, so I knew that the deeper scratch was going to be removed.
Yep.
Just being able to have it look cleaner.
Yes, and better protection.
We were mopping it and it wasn't getting, because the varnish was.
Yes, it was worn, and that's what the screen does. It builds and coats back up. Get the second coat down, and you got a great finish on this floor and great protection.
Right, and so it's like, yeah, there's some scratches in it, but in a household with dogs and kids,
yes,
it's only going to get re-scratched up a bunch, and refinishing isn't the right option for our household at this point.
And then plus when you talk about what, 12 grand to sand it compared to my process, which is almost less than half the price.
And one day.
One day. Awesome.
And then,
all right, guys.
So this
client
stuff here
loves the floors. They look so much better. Like she was telling me, Courtney, they look cleaner. We got some good protection on them. Pine floors, amazing. Library came out great. All right. Again, she was quoted $12,000 to sand this floor, and she said, Courtney, it's not that I can't do it. She said I just didn't have the time to do it, and she loved that this was a one-day process. So I'm about to go ahead and get that second coat down, which is going to be red coat. You see in here, pine floors look amazing. All right, so I'm going to get the red coat down, and I'm also going to add, there we go, guys, red coat. All right, and I'm also going to add some nano-wear to it. Red coat is going down. Just got to put in the red coat, which is the second coat on this floor. And then here. All right. All right, guys. I am about to start the UV curing process. Mover's going to head back, start moving the furniture back. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, it's a little bit past 7:30. The movers are back, moving the furniture in. You can see this is the huge benefit of the UV curing. Furniture is going back the same day. Client loves the results. So again, guys, we are done. I got to get up super early. I'm going to meet my guy Tavares at the shop tomorrow around 6 because I'm going to help one of my students do his first job in Knoxville, Tennessee. And he's very nervous, so I told him I'd come up there and give him a hand. Miss Sims, what do you have to say about the floors today?
They look great.
Thank you, Miss Sims.
They're awesome.
Thank you.
Absolutely great.
Thank you. All right, guys, that's going to do it. So we're going to go ahead and go ahead and head back to Gwinnett County and get some rest. Stairs came out amazing. We had to literally scrape the stairs with the scraper because whoever lived here before her, guys, they tried to do a lot of shortcuts, especially with the floors and then right here. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.